Hello everybody, welcome to my learning lab. So today we are still gonna talk about angles. So today is the fourth lesson, and I want to introduce you to ugly shapes. Well, ugly shapes in my words is not like big nose, small eyes, long legs, or short hands. Ugly shapes, especially angles in my words, is like shapes that complicates you and mess up your mind. So today we are gonna do some of that questions. Some aren't ugly, but they need tricks. Alright, so let's start off with this question. This question is just a head start. It didn't seem like so difficult, so you can just pause the video and just try out. Okay, so I assume we are done. So let's go through this question. So for the first step, you need to know what's this. So these two angles are mirror image because two lines intersect. So we just copy the 44 here, paste it here, which is 44. So to know this angle, this is the second step, alright. To know this angle, you need to, like, this straight line is 180 degrees minus this one. So 180 degrees minus 140 degrees equals to 40 degrees. So this angle over here, draw line out, 40 degrees. So this one, this angle over here is 180 degrees minus 44 degrees minus 40 degrees equals to 96 degrees. Okay, you might ask, why is there a 180 degrees here? Because the total angles for a triangle is 180 degrees. That's why I put 180 degrees here. This is for the triangle. 1, 2, 3, three angles, alright. So this angle here is 96. So to find out D, this is the straight line as I said. To find out D, so it's just 180 degrees minus 96 degrees equals to 84 degrees. And that's our answer. Well, there's a trick in doing this question. What trick, you may ask? Well, the trick is the sum of these two angles is actually this angle. Yes, you have not heard wrongly. Example, I draw a triangle here with an extended line. This A, B, C, D. So A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. C plus D equals to 180 degrees. So now we have, this is algebra. I will talk about this later, like in more of my videos. So, well, I just let you know about it here. Okay, so there's both C here. So we cancel the C and minus C on both sides. So you'll find out that A plus B equals to 180 degrees minus C, and D equals to 180 minus C. These both answer as the same. So it concludes that A plus B equals to D. So assume 44 degrees is A, 40 degrees B, this 96 is C, and D is D. So it's just A plus B, which is 44 degrees plus 40 degrees, equals to 84 degrees. And you can check that these two answers are actually the same. And we are done with this question. Alright, so off to the next question. Ready? this. You can just pause the video and to find out the answer. Okay, are you done? I assume you are. Alright, so let's go through this question. Alright. So, actually, one part of this figure is actually the same as the figure on top we just did. So, where is it? Here. Well, ignore the words. It's actually here. See that? So, if you see this, it is the same as the equation on top. Here. Steps are the same. So the answer for this question is just simply 84. Alright, that's quite easy. So let's move on to the next question. Alright, I wish you can see that. Alright, so we have this question. Four-sided shape. Alright, a four-sided shape. So you can just pause the video again and just find out the answer. Alright, I assume you are done. Alright, let's go through. This. Actually, this, I will not call ugly shapes, but this would like puzzle starters who just started learning angles. So, as I said earlier the video, I said 180 degrees is the total angles for triangles. But about four-sided shapes, or that's a formula you can remember when you meet this kind of question. The number of sides, which I will just name it n minus 2. Put it in brackets, and you times 180 degrees. So just now the triangle is 3 sides. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. 1 times 180 degrees equals 180 degrees. So that's why a triangle is 180 degrees, but there are other reasons why it is. I will not talk about that. It's irrelevant, alright. So this four-sided shapes. So you can, the number of sides is 4 minus 2 equals 2. 2 times 180 degrees equals to the 360 degrees. So the total angles of this four-sided shape is 360 degrees. Alright, 360 degrees. So it's easy once you know. So let's start. So it's just like 360 minus 141 minus 68 minus 135 and equals to this angle. You can just calculate at your own, but I'm just fast forward. The answer is 16. The angle of this is 16. So once you know the angle of this is 16, you know this is just 360 degrees minus 16 degrees was to 344 degrees. That's our answer. There's also a trick in doing this question though. The same as I show here. This extended line, it can be the extended line one. It also can be used in solving this question over here. Assume this A, B, C, D, E. Find out that A, B, C, D equals to 360, right? And E plus D equals to 362. So if you cancel out the D over here, it says A plus B plus C equals to 360 minus D. And same goes for this. It says E equals to 180 degrees minus D. So you'll find out that these three angles equals to X. So, yep, just say 141 degrees plus 68 degrees plus 135 degrees actually equals to 344 degrees. So that's our answer. So you can check that this is the same as this, and that's our answer. And you are done for today. Meet you the next.